second biggest issue that I found in the B2B sphere, which is this idea that video has to be expensive.
Paolo, you're the head of video marketing here at Unmuted. Let's talk about video marketing and B2B.
I believe that there is like a big misunderstanding when it comes to video marketing and B2B in particular, because in general B2B marketing is still like kind of boring and very like white paper, ebook, infographics type of initiative mainly.
Assets, maybe.
Assets,
Content
yeah.
Assets, yeah.
But I think that the biggest misunderstanding is that even if it's B2B, you are still talking to people, right?
B2B and especially B2B SaaS, like software type of products, usually they are quite niche and complex. And to explain a complex product, sometimes you need more than words. Sometimes you need visual assets, moving video assets to help explain the complexity of a specific software product.
1 minute video worth 1,000 words. And
Right.
that was like out of our research, the psychological behavior type of research that they've done. And that's basically been the main selling point since I started in 2012 on when it comes to videos for B2C and B2B likewise.
So, Paolo, some of the type of video work that we can do even on a low budget.
Founder brand, so like this very short clip that you can use on your LinkedIn profile personal page, not public page, personal page, in which you just explain a difficult concept in 1 minute, for example. Another one might be a longer explainer video in which you showcase also your team knowledge, for example. Again, you have a finance tool, ask your CFO to do an explainer video, 5 minutes in front of the camera. With a webinar, you can do also like you can also repurpose it, like so you record the entire like half an hour session, whatever it is, and then you only have like the sound bites that you can publish on LinkedIn, and that is an ad.
Before this conversation, I asked you about your view on trends for video marketing in 2024. You said trends are bullshit because you're just going to choose whatever you prefer to be the next big thing. But you also mentioned that you really believe in this sort of like iterative approach to video marketing.
Yeah, I believe in two things. One is the iterative approach. And one is the human touch. So nowadays we are bombarded with like video content from B2Cs especially. And I think that we are losing a little bit that human touch in the video production area,
Right.
because like there is a lot of like auto-generated content that you just input the text and then they're gonna come up with like graphics and stuff like that. But that is only creating a series of videos that are one the copy of the other. Second biggest issue that I found in the B2B sphere, which is this idea that video has to be expensive, video has to be complicated, video has like, no, but it's easier to do a blog. Yeah, it's true, it's easier from a technical point of view, maybe at the beginning, but once you have like availabilities for a camera and a microphone, you actually can do a very nice video and a very effective video right from like 600 euros budget, which is the cost of like a decent camera and plus a decent microphone. You can do whatever you want.
Yeah.
And then you can have also someone like us that have like 10 years plus experience in the market, so can actually help you like making it better, but that doesn't mean that you have to start from there.